Today, we're diving into a common annoyance that many laptop users face: the dreaded screen flickering issue on Windows 11 or 10. Let's jump into the solutions. Step 1. Adjusting screen refresh rate. First things first, let's check your display settings. Right-click on the desktop, go to Display Settings, and make sure your refresh rate is set correctly. Sometimes, a mismatched refresh rate can cause that annoying flicker. Step 2. Updating graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are often the culprits behind screen flickering. Head over to the Device Manager, locate your graphics card, and check for updates. Keeping those drivers up to date might just be the solution. Step 3. Running Windows Update. Ensure your operating system is up to date by running Windows Update. Microsoft frequently releases patches and fixes that address various issues, including screen flickering problems. Step 4. Adjusting hardware acceleration. For those experiencing flickering primarily in web browsers or specific applications, try turning off hardware acceleration. Head to the settings of the problematic application and look for the option to disable hardware acceleration. Step 5. Booting in safe mode. Booting your laptop in safe mode can help determine if the flickering is caused by a third-party application or driver. If the issue disappears in safe mode, you may need to identify and uninstall the problematic software. Step 6. Checking for malware. Believe it or not, malware can sometimes cause screen flickering. Run a full system scan using your antivirus software to ensure your laptop is free from any malicious software. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to banishing screen flickering on your Windows 11 or 10 laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. If you have specific issues or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time,